Hello viewers, today I'll show you a hot and spicy Hilsa curry recipe which uses the Hilsa fish with okra or Bhindi. This recipe is from the Andhra Pradesh region of India. For this recipe I'll be using a whole Hilsa fish cut into chunks as shown here. I'll also need some baby okra which have been topped and tailed, as well as 5 tablespoons of red onion paste and 1 tablespoon each of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1.5 teaspoon of haldi powder and 1 teaspoon each chili, cumin and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, 1 stalk of fresh curry leaves and a bit of mango pickle oil. Heat some oil in a pot. Add the onion, chili, ginger and garlic paste into the pot. And fry on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring the pot as I am doing here. Then add the powdered spices and mix them in. Then add the fish pieces into the pot, followed by a few curry leaves. Fry the fish in the masala for 2 to 3 minutes like I am doing here. Then add the tamarind paste into the pot. Add a bit of water to blend in the paste and then add the okra or bhindi into the pot. Add a bit more water, salt to your taste, and the remaining curry leaves. Bring the pot to a boil and simmer gently for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid to check if the hilsa and the okra are cooked. Add the mango pickle oil for the signature vibrant red color of this dish. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes more. And our delicious Andhra style hot and spicy Hilsa curry is done. Let's plate up this beautiful Hilsa fish curry, which is best served with boiled rice. Andhra style hot and spicy Hilsa curry has a beautiful red color and is very spicy. It is also wonderfully tasty, so give it a try this Durga Puja season. Traditionally it is cooked in a clay pot, but my version tasted awesome too. Hit the subscribe button for more. Enjoy!